lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays.
Bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Great job with your spider. We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, 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 we're waving, we're waving, we're waving. Now we stop. Did you stop? Good job. Let's try clapping. We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, clapping, clapping. We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping. Now we stop. Let's try twisting.
Finish.
We're
Yay.
twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, twisting, twisting. Stop. Good job. Should we try jumping?
Hmm?
Let's do it. We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, jumping, jumping. We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping. Now we stop. That was so much fun. Great job.
You like that, Roy?
Can you pretend to be toast with me? I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. Let's do that again. That was fun. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop.
I did it.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy today.
Jump, clap, spin, stomp, stomp, hey. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna bring me down today.
I can sing,
And dance, I can hang out with my friends.
I can draw,
A picture of the sky.
I can spin.
Around, I can go upside down. Even if it's hard, I wanna try. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy today, jump, up, spin, stomp, stomp, hey. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna bring me down today.
What if it rains?
No, 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 I can dance in the rain.
What if it's cold?
When the carpet's green. Oh, it's been delivered. We have our parcel down there. Should we get our parcel? Good morning, people! Ngayon ako mag-start ng vlog, guys. Hapon na. I'm gonna pick up Mia. Pero before that, meron silang Mother's Day celebration sa school. So, I have to go early. Tapos, sabay na kami uuwi ni Mia. So, iwan ko si Kai. Kasama yung kapatid ko. Nasa taas siya. Gising si Kai eh. So, siya yung nagbabantay. Di pa ako nakapag-lunch, guys. Sana may pagkain dun sa school. Yan yung nilulong forward, pagkain. Wala akong energy kasi hindi pa ako naka-lunch. Tubig muna tayo. Pag-drop ko kanina kay Mia sa school, uwi agad, tapos nagising na si Kai. Tinid ko siya, tapos naglalaro pa kami. So, mga ilang oras din yun. Mga an hour later to 2 hours later, natulog na siya. Natulog na din ako. Kasi, antok pa ang inyong mommy. So, ito lang yung suot ko today sa Mother's Day celebration. Oh my gosh. First time ko pumunta ng school for Mother's Day celebration, guys. Feel na feel yung pagiging mommy. So, ito yung suot ko today. I really like this dress. Isa to sa mga minibenta ko before, nung nagla-live selling ako. So, yeah. Basta meron sa dress na to na gustong-gusto ko. I like that color and yung floral siya. And hapit na hapit siya sa body ko na gustong-gusto ko. Wala lang siyang bulsa, but like, It's so good. Good quality pa. Yung problema ko dito ngayon is ang laki ng hinaharap ko, guys. Pero kasya, see? Kasya pa siya. May space pa nga, oh. Oh, diba? So, yun lang. But, yeah. I really like this. Hindi ko nilagyan ng tape. Sana nilagyan ko, but that's okay. I-arrange na lang natin mamaya. Puro babae lang naman nandun kasi nga Mother's Day. So, ano lang yung kailangan pumunta? Yung isang malapit sa buhay ng bata. So, it's either your mother, your grandmother, your auntie, ganun. So, yeah, isa lang dapat na tao. So, feeling ko may pagkain dun. Charot. Dun na lang kakain. But yeah, alis na tayo kasi the event will start at 1:45. So, now it's, I believe, ayan, 1:33. Ang lapit lang naman ng school. So, yeah. But yeah, I should go now. Ang hina, feeling ko pag nag-i-edit ako talaga, guys, ang hina ng boses ko, 'di ba? Agree kayo? Unlike na pag may mic, maganda pag may mic. So, kaya lang nakalimutan ko kayo lagyan ng mic, but that's okay. Alis na tayo. Let's go. Let's go, people. Medyo mainit today. 30 degrees, guys. But that's okay. Autumn na, guys, ha? Pero hindi mo maintindihan yung weather. Minsan malamig, minsan mainit. Sabi nila we will have a warm winter daw. Oh no, anong nangyayari sa world? So they said we will have a warm winter this year. Hindi siya yung super lamig na winter. But yeah, I don't mind. Ilang araw na naman tayo walang vlog. Kasi ang hirap din. Lagi akong antok. Gusto ko nakatulog. Gusto ko lang matulog, guys. So, I know my priorities. So, pag may chance na makatulog ako with Kai, tulog ako. Kaya wala tayong vlogs paminsan-minsan kasi gusto ko talaga like okay ang tulog ko para hindi ako grumpy. Ganon. Kasi pag kulang yung tulog ko, masakit ang ulo ko, di ako nakaka-function. So I always prefer to have enough sleep. I have enough sleep naman, guys, pero hindi talaga kaya kahit naka 8 hours sleep na ako. Gusto ko, inaantok pa din ako. Kaya alam niyo naman si Kai, pag natutulog siya diretso-diretso sa gabi, hindi ako nagigising, but minsan talaga inaantok ako pag hapon na, pag nagna-nap time na si Kai sa hapon, inaantok ako. So instead na mag-edit ako that time, hindi ako makapag-edit kasi natutulog ako with Kai. So yeah, bawi tayo sa inyo pag okay na, pag kaya na natin. Okay, spread.
So you gotta use this stuff. I'll show you. Ready?
And
So which one do you want?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to do this. You have to do this. Yes. Okay.
What would you like on it? Want me to have some with you? They won't fit on there.
You're gonna eat. Good job. So which one do you want?
Maybe this. Like when you put butter on the toast.
All right. Your turn.
You're gonna eat.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Because they're waiting for you too.
So let's move out the way.
Good job, Ate.
now it's done. Done.
Yay. Is that enough? Is that enough? Yeah.
The name's there.
Which one is mommy and which one is Mia?
Mommy, Daddy, me.
Oh, okay. Is that daddy too? Mommy? Thank you. Is mommy? Sorry.
Did I say something so sweet in there?
Did you say something sweet in here? Funny actually, not sweet, but really funny. Ito yung presents nila for us. Ayan, ang cute.
Is that a sweet word?
Yeah. No, it's funny and sweet. Yes, it's funny and sweet. There's something inside. Mommy will open it at home, okay?
Yeah, there's something.
It's so cute, kids. Pakita ko sa inyo pagdating sa
You
bahay.
will never know.
Alright.
Mommy!
Yes?
You know what that is? That's actually my picture. That's the shape of my picture.
Is that your picture?
Yeah, my picture's inside there because it's the shape of my picture, so I know my picture's inside.
Okay, go. Visit daw. Pinito go na.
Okay.
Dito lang ako nag-park sa side parking para mabilis lumabas. Dili niya. Put your seatbelt. And meron pa silang, can I have the gift? The present? Where's the present? I'll show people.
The fruit?
Yeah? What is that? Meron silang another present.
It's a secret fruit. I won't tell you this. It's the
This.
sweet.
Sweet?
Yes.
Did the teacher made it with you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Everybody needs.
Okay, go na. Dali na. Oh, it's hard to go out na because there's a lot of cars. Go. Dali, put your seatbelt.
So we can get to
Dali,
the
dali,
ride.
dali. Nauna kami lumabas kasi
That was tough.
nauna kami lumabas kasi pwede na umuwi yung mga bata with the parents. So, normally, nagbukas yung gate. 2:35. Gate. Kalabas na kami ni Mia at 2:25. You like your nails? Yeah? So, we painted Mia's nails. Dapat siya yung magpipaint sa akin, but I have nail polish on. So, sabi ko ako na lang sa'yo lalagay. And ganun din yung ibang mommies kasi naka nail polish din sila. And I love your dancing, ate.
So great.
It was great. Can you dance it for mommy again?
Okay.
Okay.
Skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you. Skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you. I love you in the morning. I love you in the moon. I love you in the evening. Underneath the moon. Oh, skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you.
I love it. Memorize niya pa yung song.
Skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you. Skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you.
I
I
love
love you
it.
in the morning. I love you in the moon. I love you in the evening. Underneath the moon. Oh, skittering, kering, kering, skittering, kering. I love you.
Yes. Well done, ate. I love it. I love your song. Inaano niya na din yan, guys. Kinakanta sa bahay. It's Friday today. Meron bang early pa? Akala ko Miss Rachel. Kasi si Miss Rachel, kumakanta din yan. Di ba Miss Rachel is singing that song too? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miss Rachel is singing that song. Akala ko kay Miss Rachel niya na na kuha. Yun pala, kinakanta din nila sa school getting ready for Mother's Day. I love that, ate.
It's Mother's Day today.
Yeah, not today, on Sunday.
It's Mother's Day.
It's just your school celebrating Mother's Day today because
Mommy, it's Mother's
you don't have
Day.
school on Sunday.
Mommy, it's Mother's Day today.
We're home, guys. Alright, let's go see Kai Kai. Let's see Kai Kai, guys. Si Mia pumunta sa taas, guys. Nagising tuloy si Kai. Tutulog siya. Tutulog siya ng kapatid ko. Alright, tingnan natin tong gift ni ate. This is so funny though. All about my mom. My mom's name is Mary. My mom is 30 years old. My mom's job is staying home. My mom's favorite food is Filipino food. Oh, she knows. My mom's favorite drink is green cola. I don't know what's green cola. Sabi niya, yung green daw na iniinom ko. So, yung green lang naman na iniinom ko is yung Mountain Dew. My mom cooks the best rice with pork, eggs, and sour stuff. My mom's always says I can call dad when I want to. We like to hug every day together. My mom relaxes by watching her phone. My mom is the best because she lets me call daddy. Love from Mia. And this is what she did. Picture daw. Mother's Day 2025. It's Mia's fingerprint. Ayan. Nakalagay dito handprints everywhere on the windows and walls, even the chair. You wipe them, scrub them, and wash them away. But on this artwork, they are here to stay. I love you. Happy Mother's Day 2025. Yeah. That's nice. Wala na. Iniingay na ni ate. Tapos meron silang ano to, parang marshmallow. Parang rice crackers. Okay. Ginawa nila sa school. Ayan. Mother's Day present. Try natin. Oh my gosh, first time ko to. So, dami silang activity. May nail polish, painting, tsaka biscuit. Hindi ko siya gusto, guys. Ayoko ng ano. Marshmallow siya. Ayoko ng lasa. Ang ingay ni Mia. Nagagalit na si Tita Pretty niya for sure. Naglalaro niya si Kai. Tingnan nyo naman. Pinapatulog man siya ng tita niya. Wala na, nagising na. Pa-smile-smile na yung isa. Buwang talaga to si Mia. Anyway, let's go upstairs. Bihis tayo, guys. Kay ko, abe! Ay. Kay ko, playing with the ate Mia. Kay playing with ate Mia lang. Hindi mo na talaga siya mapigilan. Roll over lang siya. Nag-roll over, no? Ano, napaka-good boy man yan. Ay, very good man na. Ay, tao, sikita na si Pochi. Is that Pochi? No, the teacher. Ha? Si Mia kinakain na yung Christmas. Kinakain na yung ano. Mountain Dew. Kinakain niya na yung ano, guys. Present niya kay Mami. This rice with pork. Tingnan niyo siya. Oh, hala, sige. Hala, sige. Hindi ka siya mag-roll over. Oh. Hala. Oh. Hindi ka nga kasya.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.